Hello and welcome to Goke's Kitchen. So today on Goke's Kitchen I'll be making a very delicious and healthy dessert, and that's going to be the egg pudding. The ingredients are very few and the steps are very simple. Well, all that you'll need are just milk, egg and sugar, and that's about it. So now let's get right into it. So first thing you want to do is put 1.5 cup of milk in the pot and let the milk warm. The reason you want to warm the milk is so that it can easily dissolve the sugar. Once the milk is warm enough, you want to then add the sugar to it and mix it together. You mix the milk and the sugar properly. And then you have your egg, which is already set aside, and you want to go ahead and whisk the egg as well. Whisk it properly, whisk it. For 1.5 cup of milk, I'm using 6 eggs. So once the egg is whisked properly as well and mixed properly, you want to add the milk to the egg and whisk both together. Whisk it very well, as much as you can. Or you can also use a whisk tool, or you can also use a spoon as well, just like I'm doing right here. So once that's done, you want to set that to the side. Set it aside and then sieve the mixture as well. The reason you want to sieve the mixture is for the smoothness, which is very important. Now the next step is to make our caramel. For the caramel, just add 4 to 5 teaspoons of sugar and a little water in order to help the sugar dissolve. Then you want to transfer the caramel into a container and spread it around. Spread it properly. So next step is you want to put some water in the oven pan and set it to 300 degrees and put it in the oven. The reason for the water is basically because you do not want the mixture to burn at the bottom. Double boiling is very essential, otherwise you're going to have a burnt dessert, and nobody likes a burnt dessert. Then the next thing is you want to pour the mixture into the caramel bowl, and then you wrap it properly. Wrap it very well. Once that's done, you put it in the oven and let it sit there for about 45 minutes to 1 hour. And afterwards, you take it out and take a knife and you free the corners around, free it all around. Once that's done, you want to transfer it into a flat plate, and voila! Your dessert is ready. Well, that's about it. Very simple and straightforward, as you can tell as well, and it looks beautiful and it tastes delicious. So have fun making it and absolutely enjoy eating it. And one more thing, don't forget to support the movement. Subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy cooking.